Alright, so like 2 videos ago I got some regular drag slicks for the car, and now we already have new ones because, as I mentioned, it had like bead slip. I'll throw up some pictures of what was happening. But now we have some Forgestar D5 Beadlocks, and we're using the same tires that came off of the other wheels because they're still practically brand new, even though they're street R's. They still have pretty much almost all the tread. So we are going to mount these ourselves because it would have been really expensive to do it at a tire shop, and a tire shop that's close to us won't even do it. Alright, so here we got, so far last night I basically spent, so these wheels are used, so I spent all the time taking these apart, and I washed and rinsed and dried the bolts last night because there's like a bunch of gunk in them. And then this morning I put thread locker on all of them because it kind of just helps the bolts from working themselves out, because these things will be spinning very fast. You know how these are all of the tire weights I took off from the old ones.
Don't you need to get them?
Yeah, we're gonna, as soon as we're done, we're gonna take the truck and bring them to discount to balance them.
Okay.
I remember this is what I had on the outside, so this should be pretty easy, knock on wood. Where do you get those? There's a shell in it, and a pre-made egg. So I made some soapy water because soapy water will evaporate and won't leave residue like tire beading. Alright, so we're just getting this to kind of slip over the first bead lock, because we really only just have to slip it on once, and then this will eventually pop into this groove. That's gonna be fun. Once everything's mounted, we're gonna have to inflate the tire. It's gonna like explode into the, when you seat the bead. It's gonna be a little scary. Alright. Is it recording? Cool. So I gotta go at an angle like this, and then ooh, cool. So now we need to elevate this.
Do a bucket and muff. That's a whap. That's a whap. You know that song?
Yeah, whap. This is the fun part. Oh my god.
No, stop being such a that heavy.
So, here, I'll just show you on this one. So you see this little edge right here?
Mm-hmm. We need it to be there.
We need to, that's what I need your help with. We gotta seat it. So before we do that, let me get ready to thread this in to hold it in, because as soon as we get it seated, we'll have to, all right. So, yeah, I got it here. Oh, this is gonna suck.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, actually, this isn't bad. Can you hold down this edge over here? So push it back. That's it?
Is it?
Yeah, it's in. That wasn't hard.
That's what she said.
We're hand threading these all in right now. Got to be careful because last owner sheared off the bolt from that one. Over tightening, these are really 10 foot. Here, for comparison, we're tightening these to 10 foot-pounds. The lug nuts take 150 foot-pounds. So it's really easy to, yeah, it's really easy to over torque these. But what you have to do is you have to go in a pattern like this. So what I'm gonna do is everyone puts little dimes and stuff to mark their spot, but that's too confusing for me, so I'm gonna use 4 dimes, which is even more confusing, because that's how I do everything. Coins in here. I'm so excited. This is pretty much what it's gonna look like.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying, like, you're gonna have to see it on the car. That's why it's gonna be like, oh.
I rolled it up next to the car and it already looked good. Oh, this is tight. All the way around tightening to 10 foot-pounds, then again to 15, then again to 18, and then once more over at 18 just to double check. And then I just put an air compressor on that and waited to pop the back bead on, Really all that's left is pumping them up to actual pressure.
Why would it be empty? You don't have another one?
I don't have another bolt. And they don't sell single bolts, you have to buy all 48.
Just send them an email and be like, hey.
Nope, they only, because that is a common problem, because people don't know how to tighten them properly. Oh, this one's gonna suck.
Push, I can try and get it to like.
Okay. Oh, we're almost there. It's just that little lip.
You hear my fingers crack?
Yeah, that was what that was?
Yeah.
I think it's seated. Yeah, I think it's good. Alright. Look good to you?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we pretty much got everything.
Seems like it.
Let's get all 4 corners first.
I'm a car. Oh, God.
You looking real slick with that.
I hate you.
Is that 120? Okay.
Egg on the
Just
tire.
finished up. Would that be a teg or a gyre?
Maybe.
I think teg. Okay, so we just finished the bolt sequence again on the tire, second wheel, and now it's time to pop the bead in place. The last bead pop I didn't record because I forgot. So. Oh. As hard as everyone made it seem that this would be, this is ridiculously easy. And now all that's left is to go balance these. And they look phenomenal, jeez. And I was able to retain the tire pressure sensor in this. They're all finally mounted onto the wheels, pumped. Yep. Not just talking about it anymore.
I mean, you had the slicks before, but now it's like these are beadlocks.
The slicks didn't even really look like slicks.
How they do.
Well, I say slicks, it's the same exact tire. The old setup didn't.
Is like,
this looks serious.
yeah.
And I really like the silver because it kind of matches the white.
See, I'm a genius. Oh, that didn't sound good.
This tire looks weird. Ford for F14s.
Alright, let's see.
Wow, these are a lot lighter.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
How's it look?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looked
Oh my god.
right. That's the difference.
Oh. Get in there.
Huh?
I missed having these on here. No, not yet. Oh, that's scary.
See, the thing. Socket.
Holy, wow.
Speechless.
I might take off those spacers.
Looks a little weird on it.
Come here. You see how much that pokes out?
Yeah.
All right, well, everything's finished mounted up. Much better, for sure. No more bead slip. That's. There's no bugs.
You'd be tearing things.
Yeah, this looks really good. But yeah, I'll probably go take some pictures or something. And yeah, that's it.